What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable the dark mode into the GitHub website so you can share with your team without using these classic white colors while programming by night, for example. This is how the GitHub website used to look like. This is the biggest community of development, and if you go to Chrome Web Store or go to Mozilla Firefox Web Store, you can type in the search field GitHub Dark Theme. Because for this tutorial, we're gonna be using a browser extension. The very first one by Paul Chang. You're gonna click on the button called Add to Chrome, because in my case, I'm gonna be using the Google Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome button. We're gonna download the plugin and add the extension to the Chrome. Now, as you can see in the top corner, the top right corner of our browser, we do see the plugin icon, and the plugin is already working. If you click on the plugin, you're gonna see the plugin options enabled for github.com and to guest github.com. Yes, but the plugin is excluded from GitHub Marketplace. Now, if you just refresh the page, any page in the domain github.com will be with this amazing and better to see GitHub dark mode, so you can explore, contribute to the team or to the community with codes into a nice view code. Now, if you go to the marketplace, for example, as you can see, the extension is excluded, maybe because the programming is not good enough yet, but if you disable, it's gonna be dark as well, but not like in the most domains. That is completely dark with all the CSS changed. Now you can program on the night without forcing your eyes, for example. Now let's imagine that you want to disable this extension from your browser. In the Chrome, in the top right corner, we're gonna click in these three buttons. Click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now you can see a list of all your browser extensions, and you just can disable or remove the plugin. Now just refresh the GitHub and you're gonna see the white classic mode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!